Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. Feels so lovely. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? The spirit of Christmas. Hey, that ass, pump it up, pump, pump.
Won't you? Won't you? Won't you please come home for Christmas? Won't you? Won't you please come home for Christmas? Won't you? Won't you?
Hey everyone, happy Vlogmas. It's Chellina, Achol, the Sudani mommy. Yeah, I'm back with another day of Vlogmas. I'm gonna keep it going. I hope you guys enjoyed my little clean with me sesh, my morning whatever, get ready with me. You guys got really lucky. I put on lotion. I don't wear lotion too often, but it's been getting really itchy. So I decided, hey, let's put on some lotion. I think it's about time. I actually want to find a nice like whipped shea butter. I might just make my own whipped shea butter, but we'll see. I have to look up some recipes. I'm gonna play a little voicemail I got from one of my friends.
Man, I'm over here munching, man. This mac and cheese, what did you do?
You haven't had the cake though, right?
I need the recipe.
You haven't had the cake is even better. But, oh, sorry, we're still on the phone. Bye!
Two of my friends, they really wanted me to make more mac and cheese for them. I'm about to make that for you guys right now because they're coming over in about like 30-40 minutes. So I'll show you guys that. We're going out for drinks with one of my friends. Today's her birthday. Turn on happy birthday, Amanada. Let's get set up. I'll cook the noodles right now and wait for them. So when it comes to making baked mac and cheese, I use two parts. There is a recipe guideline I kind of used on Pinterest, and I'll have that linked down below. But other than that, freestyle gang. I did it a couple times so that now I'm comfortable enough to put my own little spin on things. I just have elbow macaroni right now, but my personal favorite is the katapevi. I'll put a picture of that noodle, but that's like my actual go-to. Actually, I'm gonna have my assistant come help me. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Okay. You can go ahead and pour it in.
All of it?
Yeah. Stir it up so the noodles don't stick together.
Okay.
So you try to make what?
I tried to make fries in the microwave. They did taste good.
Hold the pot so it doesn't spin. There you go. You can move it towards the middle. Move the pot towards the middle so it's covering the red.
What are those little blocks?
What blocks?
Oh,
Blobs of the butter. We are going to add just one quick little stir. Make sure you get at the bottom. You can feel the bottom. Yeah, there you go. We're gonna put one Maggi cube inside there so the pasta can absorb that flavor. Okay, go ahead and put that inside there. Okay, and then
that looks like one of those things that you put in ramen. Can I show the pictures in?
yeah, go ahead. That's your picture?
Yes.
Nice. Can't make the roux just quite yet. I have some fresh. There goes the oven. I have some fresh thyme and I have some fresh rosemary I'm gonna put in there.
What's this?
This is some white pepper. It's a really fine black pepper.
Looks like it's from Japan.
Asian, yeah, because it has the words on it. And then some onion powder, some more black pepper, and this Creole seasoning. I kind of want a little Cajun vibe to it. And half a stick of butter. I'm gonna use 1.5.
Cashew milk.
Yes, 1.5 cups of cashew milk. Some breadcrumbs to sprinkle on top, and just a little flour to thicken it up a little bit. Read all the ingredients to me. I'm waiting for my friends to bring the cheeses, the other ingredients. The macaroni used for the macaroni and cheese. The macaroni is cooling. I already rinsed it off with cold water. I'm gonna make a quick little cucumber salad. I have some leftover cucumbers that I need to use up. What?
I think I heard someone open the door.
No. You're freaking me out, Isaac. Isaac is gonna be reading out the ingredients for me. First, things first. Let's do the wet ingredients first. And then can you throw this away? Tell me what my first ingredient is, Bella. Just any of the ingredients, just read them all.
Okay, 6 Parmesan cucumbers or good English cucumbers.
Okay, next.
2 tablespoons of sesame oil.
2 tablespoons of sesame oil. See if I have some sesame oil. I don't think I have sesame oil. Sesame oil is regular oil. The recipe calls for sesame oil, but I do not have some, so I'm going to use regular oil. How many? 2 tablespoons?
Yeah. 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar.
Okay. I do have rice vinegar. 2 teaspoons.
Vinegar.
Vinegar is it?
1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar.
I don't really want to add apple cider vinegar to this recipe. Next.
Then I have cup roasted salted peanuts.
Next.
Peanuts chopped.
We don't have any peanuts. Next.
1 teaspoon of soy sauce.
1 teaspoon of soy sauce.
Okay, I thought we were gonna skip one.
No.
1 teaspoon of honey.
1 teaspoon of honey?
Yes.
Okay. Honey I do have.
Does it usually take that long?
To get the honey out? Yeah. The viscosity on this is really thick.
Our honey doesn't take that long.
Yeah, we don't have the real stuff, though. This is the organic good honey.
There was only one waffle left, and that's all I wanted to eat.
Did you eat it?
Yes. And red pepper flakes to taste.
Red pepper flakes. That I can grab. To taste. Okay, so that means how spicy do you want it?
Okay. 2 tablespoons of sliced green onions.
I don't have green onions. I have regular onions, though.
I guess that'll work.
Yeah. Let me see if I have an onion that's already
Chopped?
cut. Yeah, cut up a little bit.
Or like the skins already cut off.
No, this is, here we go. I have half an onion, 2 tablespoons. Yikes. So that feels like about this.
That sounds satisfying.
Thank you. here we have the elbow macaroni noodles, the roux, and the shredded cheese. And here is the finished product, that chicken we just went and grabbed from Lunch and Barley. But isn't that beautiful?